Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is take a look at our landing page. Of course, it is on HubMeta.com. When you come here, it explains how long we have been working, how many researchers are using it, how many universities, and these are all numbers that we are very proud of. And HubMeta is a platform that was built by contributions from all of our great network of researchers. Here we explain the main pipeline of how things work in the new platform, which we will go through one by one. And then of course, I want to show you our pricing strategy. With this one, HubMeta is a free platform, and this comes with an asterisk. And what that means is that all the features, all the key features of HubMeta are offered to you for free. The only parts that you have to pay for are where we have to use AI, and that is where we have to pay external API providers, and you basically pay at cost what we are paying them. And what we are hoping is that in the future, the cost of AI inference from all of these big provider platforms will go down. And when that happens, we will be able to bring down all the costs too. So no subscriptions, no lock-in with HubMeta. You only pay for the features, for the usage that you have on the platform. Let's start with creating our account, or if you have one, just logging in. You can create one or log in using Google. If you create a new one, it will send you an email to confirm. Please go ahead with those steps. But I'm going to assume that most of us who are watching this video are creating a new account or have already created one. This first page is the screen where you see all of your projects. Obviously, when you are new here, there is no projects going on here. Let me walk you through what on this page, and then in the next video, we will create our first project and get started with it. Here we have a sidebar, which is always present in any part of the project, any part of HubMeta you are, and you can always close it to have a full screen. You have the projects tab, which shows all of your projects that you are part of here. If you are the owner of the project, meaning you have created the project, it will show your name as owner. If you have been invited to a project, meaning you are collaborating with someone and they have invited you and added you to their project, you are a collaborator of the project. Over here, you have the settings. These are the general settings of HubMeta. These are not project specific. You have your profile settings, your name view, notification settings, changing your passwords, billing and credit. Here it connects with our Stripe. If you ever want to get your invoices and whatnot, here you can clear the cache that we have stored on your browser. Just we might need this in some projects. And then here is where you can connect it with your Dropbox, and this is mostly for our legacy users, which we will explain later. But just like you connected with Dropbox in our legacy platform, you can connect with Dropbox here. On the left, this sign, which is a guide me, this appears everywhere on the platform. On this left-hand side, if you click on it, it walks you through a tour and shows exactly what is done. In this page is a complete guide on how things work in HubMeta. And then here we have dark mode and night mode within every page within HubMeta. So you can use that if you prefer work in night mode. Let's create our very first project and then go ahead and go inside it. Click on new project, give it a nice name. You can add a description, but when you create a project, it will appear here. And when you go inside it, it will bring you to the dashboard page of the project. We will go through the dashboard in our next video.